Hey folks, Thack with AOK Foraging and Adventures with
Brenda
and
Steve Brahms,
aka Willie. Check his link channel out, guys. I will put his link in the description box below. Guys, what are we doing today? Okay, we're building a cook system. So stay tuned. So we are here with Willie. Willie, what are we doing today?
we're building a cook system.
That's right. So I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see what we're doing.
We're going to take these couple pieces of rebar
Yep.
and weld one of these 60 penny nails to it and bend it around, kind of make it like a big P, so we can stick the third bar through it to hang it off of it.
Fantastic. Let's. So you already cut part of the nail off.
I cut the tip off of the nail because I figured it made it look a little bit nicer so you don't have to worry about it snagging on anything.
Right.
So we'll just cut this one off.
All right. It's going to get loud, folks. There we go. You all had your welding masks on.
Yes, we did. Safety first.
I'm talking to the viewers. Alright, so you put the nail up on the top.
On the very top. We're going to weld it. How big of a loop?
Let's go down, I don't know. Yeah, right there. Look at that nice, beautiful weld. You did a very, very nice job. It up so it'll be easier to bend.
If I didn't make it to where your line was, does that look?
Let's see. As long as the hook will go through, that's all that matters. And it looks like it will.
Yeah, we got plenty of room there.
Plenty of room. Fantastic. we're going to use this fence post thing. Huh? Electric fence post thing as the hooks to hold the cast iron skillets or pots or whatever we need. So we're going to probably heat these up and bend them, right?
Yep.
All right.
That too, Brenda?
Yep.
I think I got it figured out how to do it. I like to hold it again.
There you go. The second and last hook. Unless we need more, we'll make more at another time.
Oh, Thack, you're back.
Yep, I was a bear pooping in the woods a minute ago. Oh, all right. So,
Okay.
hold on now. So there are where the nails are. You are so far away. There is where the nails are. So we put it through, just like that. We put the two hooks on. Just like that. And
Normally you dry these in the ground, but we're on the gravel driveway in the snow, so it works.
so that's where it is, and this is where the pot will hang.
Awesome.
Folks, we want to thank you for watching that cook system. We hope you found it entertaining. Thank you, Willie, for doing all the work while all we did was film.
We watched.
I have experience building stuff, so it's not a big deal.
All right, folks. So until next time, may all your adventures be A-OK. Willie did that better last time.
I know.
But it was